Hi Chantel,
Hello.
you're all smiles now, hey?
Yeah.
Well, so you should be. You've just come back from your driving test,
Yeah.
and how do you feel with those, hey?
It's a relief to finally get it because I've been delaying it for so long because of anxiety, I reckon.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I wouldn't
I
have
was a bit
guessed.
scared to at first go with an instructor.
Mm-hmm.
Just doing driving lessons, I was scared alone.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What was the fear about? Do you know?
Just a fear that it's just basically failure.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, you know what fear
doing
stands
something
for?
wrong.
Fear stands. It's an acronym. False expectations appearing real.
Ooh,
How's that?
that's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what you were suffering from, hey?
Yeah.
So you finally got here, and we taught you how to drive.
Yeah. It was
So-
really good.
At the start, it sort of got you after you'd done a few hours with mum and dad. And how did you find? Who found our driving school?
My mum actually.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Do you know where?
On Safari maybe. She was just
On
searching for
Facebook or something?
good
Yeah.
schools and
Right.
Facebook.
Good. And what she might even come across some of these videos.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, she's actually watched a couple of them.
Yep.
I think.
Well, they're
and showed
testimony,
me.
aren't they?
Yeah.
I mean, this is not scripted. This is all from the heart.
Yeah.
This is the real thing, isn't it? So, congratulations. By the
Thank
way,
you so much.
I looked at your score you got. Near perfect. Students, she's got a near perfect score out of 100. That's how well the training was, hey?
Yeah. It was really good. I
And-
learned some stuff that I didn't think was even like possible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure did. That's what all the training's about, keeping safe and how to keep safe.
Yeah.
That's well done. Chantel, every
Thank
success.
you so much.
Good luck with your future studies at uni.
Thank you.
This is one thing you put aside now, and happy
Yeah.
and safe motoring.
Yep.
Thanks very much for coming here.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya.
Ciao.